Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing with no money. I'm going to show you exactly where to find the traffic. I'm going to show you where you can find a page builder, an email autoresponder, and an offer. Talk a little bit about how to create the content, and we're going to start right now, and I'm going to show you what all this looks like when you put it all together. So right here on the screen is what you see and what you have to build to start and become a successful affiliate marketer. And you can do all this with no money because what you have is a target audience. Your target audience lives over on YouTube and on Facebook. And the reason I use YouTube and Facebook is because simply they are the two biggest places where people hang out. No matter what niche or what you're selling as an affiliate, you can always find somebody looking for an answer to one of their problems on YouTube, and you can always find people looking to join a community on Facebook and easily build a Facebook group and make YouTube videos to generate traffic and find your target audience or have your target audience find you. Get them over to an opt-in page to find out more about the information that they're looking for. And when they opt in to get that information, then you're going to redirect them over to an affiliate offer. And you're also going to put them on your email list, which is going to allow you to follow up with them to more of your content and more of your offers on YouTube, Facebook, and also on the pages that you control, that you can build for free. And again, you can build the opt-in page here and the email list and all these content pages and all this content for free. And the first place that you can start is with the affiliate offer. And we're going to take a look real quick at where to find the affiliate offers and what affiliate offers you should be looking for. So here we are on a website called CB Engine. You can find this, cbengine.com. And what you want to focus on over here are find ClickBank products. You want to go to CB Recurring. Now that stands for ClickBank Recurring, and recurring means that this is going to pay every month because when someone buys this product, there's going to be an upsell, most likely, that puts them into a recurring membership that they're going to pay for monthly, and you're going to earn the commission once they join that program. You'll come down here and you'll see Synergy Spanish, Piano for All, niche website templates, keto resources, earn from your photos, the lost ways, Doogie World of Warcraft guides. So if you're into gaming, you want to look for an offer like this. And then when you find this offer, what you want to do is you want to go over to ClickBank. And if you don't already, you'll set up a ClickBank account and you can log into the marketplace and you'll simply look for one of these products like this Digi World of Warcraft guides. And you can see right here that the average conversion rate for this is $123.39. And there's going to be an affiliate offer page here that's going to give you resources. Simply click on that, go through the resources, understand what it is you're selling, create content around what that offer is about, and attract people that are interested in Digi World of Warcraft and this guide that they're selling and this recurring offer that's in this offer that you're going to be promoting as an affiliate. Then go back to this diagram. Think about the type of content you can create on YouTube where people can find your content. Think of a Facebook group that you could create around this product that you're an affiliate for. Build one of those out and slowly start to grow your audience either on YouTube or Facebook. Send them over to opt in to a free report or a special video that you create that they can only see once they opt in. Then put them on your email list and then create additional content on YouTube or Facebook, as well as create more pages with more original content that shows them more about what you know and what they want to learn from you about this product, and then send them over to the affiliate offer and earn your commission. Now, the opt-in page and the email list is the second part of this thing that you need to create. And how can you do that for free? The affiliate offer, of course, we found over at CB Engine and on ClickBank. And we're going to make sure that we get a recurring, meaning we're going to get paid every month once we get people to purchase that product. So again, what about the opt-in page and the email list? You're going to do that by clicking on the link in the description and signing up for a free GrooveFunnels account. When you click on that link in the description, you'll see a page similar to this. There will be a Get Started button. You will simply click on that Get Started button. You will fill out this information and you will get your free access to GrooveFunnels. Then when you log into GrooveFunnels, you'll have a Manage Sites and Funnels option, as well as an email marketing option. Simply click on Manage Sites and Funnels. And in here, you'll see you'll be able to create 3 sites. Simply click on New Site, create a landing page, go back to GrooveFunnels, main screen, click on Email Marketing. Under here, you'll create an email list and a form. Connect that form to your landing page. And I have tons of videos, link in the description, the playlist that walk you through this step by step. So make sure you click on those and watch those. And what you'll have is you'll have everything you need to find your target audience on YouTube or Facebook. Send them over to an opt-in page where you give them very valuable information that they're looking for to solve their problem. And in this case, it was that Digi World of Warcraft. And you'll put them on your email list so you can send them to more content and offers and eventually get them over to that affiliate offer where you'll be earning that commission. And you can do all this starting for free. Of course, the link in the description for GrooveFunnels. There's also a free step-by-step blueprint there that you can get access to for free that will walk you through this same type of setup. Now, inside of that training, it'll show you how to do this with your own web hosting and a paid version of an email autoresponder, which are the next options and the evolution in your progress. But you can start for free with no money with what you see here. Find your target audience on YouTube and Facebook, get them over, opt them in, get them on an email list, follow up with them, build more content on YouTube and Facebook, build a following, get them over to that affiliate offer and start earning commissions. And don't forget to check out those recurring offers on CB Engine. Find a really good offer, check it out, create content around that, and you're well on your way. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer right here. Click that subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos, just like the ones you see right here. Click those. Keep learning exactly how to start affiliate marketing today so you can start making some money online, and I'll talk to you later.